Policy is slow, but you as a consumer have the real power. Support brands that are transparent about welfare. Change starts with awareness, and awareness starts with you. We deeply care about the animals we meet, the ones we pet, the ones we farm, and the ones we photograph. But what about the ones we never meet? The ones who live underwater, die in silence. They feel, they suffer. Shouldn't they also deserve protection? If this sparked a thought, imagine the full conversation. Tap to subscribe and explore with us.